Mufike Dubai, tryna kuzomela ukusachisa ufunani. We got the views and the beach and the sun. We got the girls and the trees and the fun. Goba mufike Dubai, zogwala la spreads izinje Dubai. Niggas they packing the heat in the slums. OG be cooking the beats up for fun. We out here chasing the funds. We never play with no guns, no. Vele baspetse bokas. Amantaliani namadando. Usabele mufike stop. Nange lockdown ila senza kwema. Phayizela umetro uzovuka phakathi.
Reporting live again, it's your boy MJ holding it down city to city, titty to titty. And I'm with my nigga, my player partner, my brother, my loved one, your boy Mac11. Ngakini, shit nigga, what's going on?
Akupholiwe nigga khamba
Bethu, akupholiwe dog. Kade ngaphipi epark having a plans. Ngibona umuntu umjide randomly uthi, "Yabo JP." I'm like, what's up, nigga? Manje na fetsa Mac11 Ipantsula la fetsa bonja fetsa lokish fetsa Ngakini. I'm like, yeah, nigga, randomly just randomly fetsa bo. So I'm like, damn, this nigga is doing his thing. I look shit on the ground level Ngakini, nigga. Real life hot.
Yeah, niggas must know the movement, G. That's
so let the people know who I'm talking to right now. Let the people know what the fuck is going on, Ngakini.
Yeah, fetsa Mac11 lo kanjalo Ipantsula nomnika mfethu. Showcase
Ngakini.
Live, come.
Let the people know where you from, my G.
Man, ntwana Dubani uMeki, born Olundi, but I grew up like Dubani, Glenmore, ntwana nje iphilele Sithawa mfethu. And yeah, that's what we're about, man.
Fethu.
Showcase.
I first fuck with you from my nigga Rob on 3rd floor.
Yeah. I enjoy am there, fethu.
Think I was mixing who's the time? Who's the nigga?
Yeah.
I think I was mixing the project. Yeah. I dog you hustling motherfucker, bro. And I love the Guido vibes, nigga. Fully and completely.
Showcase.
Twimp, dog.
Yeah.
Shit! It's the right way, nigga.
Yeah,
let the people know what's going on, so you know what you pushing right now, dog. I'm his T.
Showcase. Earlier this year, 2021, I dropped an album called The Resets. It's a 20-track project that we worked on from the start of the year until about April. We put it out and we've dropped a couple singles from the albums, Kipama Video 2021 Vision, and we recently dropped Itubane video featuring Tony Tobias. And so that's what we're on right now. We might end the year with one more music video. Yeah. So yeah, people should keep their eyes peeled for that, dog.
What's the name of the project?
The Resets.
The Resets.
The Resets, yeah.
Who did you work with that shit production-wise?
Production-wise, about 14 or 15 of the 20 tracks were produced by Don Loco.
Sure.
My homie that I work with like full time. And then there were about 3 tracks I Shawe or Intro. I think you know him, dog. Intro.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. And the stuff is nine and Situ by Kwaito. And then there was also a song produced by Umrezi.
Okay.
Yeah. Umrezi. I think he's back in Eastern Cape now, but to beside like Dubani when we started working, because I think it was a couple songs with Robin that he produced. Yeah. So that's where I'm born on to Melama beats. It sounded dope, man. The stuff so quiet. So we handled it, man.
Other quite always doing the things, nigga.
Showcase it,
Afro beat, piano, as long as it's all African.
It's straight.
Even it trap, baby, logish.
Straight is what I did.
Nigga.
Yeah, man. It's possible. Yeah.
It's the biggest record on in South Africa right now.
Showcase it.
Yes.
Tabag.
The way you look shit.
Trap on just cars, live.
Sure, dog. The right way.
Yeah, man.
Nah, but I fuck with your look. Fuck with, shit is clean, shit is dope, shit is going great, so.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah, man.
Work ethic on fleek.
Showcase
the right way.
Gotta be.
Let the people know what's going on. Talk like, are you signed? Call and temple going like Cindi. So telling you, don't be signed. Cindi. Telling you,
we're fully independent, man. Like you know the toughness of how we gotta move, being independent, dog.
Sure.
Like funding your own things. You're funding a dream basically that not many believe in. So it's hard to also recruit people to fund your shit. So you just end up having to slave for it, man, your own way. Because when we born our vision, so that's what we're on right now, man. And the work just won't stop. We got another like couple projects coming next year. So yeah, man, we're just working towards that right now.
How important is having like an admin team? Because I remember once upon a time you were trying to link up with Robin on that tip.
Yeah, bro. Because personally, I have a problem with my the short-term memory. So umuntu okhohlwa izinto kalula kanjalo njengami really needs as much help as you can around, dog, you know. So iyona inkinga nje
to keep that admin on lock.
Hey, dog, it's very important because also we live a very busy life and not every day is predictable, yabo. Suka la uye la manje link up nalapha, so uyamdinga lo muntu ozokukhumbuza kusele njalo kusamele sikhave le yanto le yakhumbula ukuthi sihlanganise le meeting nale yamona. that's the type of stuff we need, man.
Feds.
Yeah.
So I should talk feds. So independent way, the right way. What's the name of the company? No man, you support is artist.
No, we call it company. It's Savage Street Records. That's the name of the company. That's where
Savage Street Records.
Yeah, man.
Ngakini.
Exactly, man. I still Savage Street, so it was a no-brainer, dog.
Sure.
Yeah, man. He said it's a late that's where we started up. I'm probably gonna be there for the longest too.
Showcase.
Yeah, man.
Let's get that work out the right way, dog. Like I can't stress what I've been learning recently, dog. The arts of the rollouts.
Man.
Shit.
Man. Hey, go back and say, well, and you keep music and it just evaporates, dog, and you know it's a
like this nigga that I'm talking to, I think wants to start a PR company, and he was just educating me on like the rollout, like yo, make sure the photo shoot is ready according to whatever you're gonna release, whether it's a single or a project. Make sure some performances ready visually, or make sure that the lyrics are ready. Make sure that everything interviews is in order. Make sure that there's some promo. I talk.
It's a lot of minor pieces, dog.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. It's shit that we've been doing, but not cohesively.
Exactly.
So now I'm always trying to stress with all of it. So release the shit the right way, and now we have for the culture. We're trying to organize this event thing.
Yeah, shout out to the homies for that, man. That's something.
Yeah,
beautiful.
dog, it was beautiful to see the city link up like that the right way, and let's just make it bigger and bigger and bigger. And we have what we said, which is the perfect proving ground.
Yeah,
because the people are going to be hungry for a vibe like a motherfucker.
Yeah, well.
That's the perfect time to just lock in and just really go ham with the performance thing and the pop-up shop thing. Like, with regards to you, how far have you taken the merchandise thing? Have you thought about that?
I've wrapped my head around it, but right now I haven't had a logo design that really stood out to me and was like, so ngisafuna leyo logo qala that's going to be really dope when I start going into like clothing and caps, because I don't want to have the normal just prints on clothing and sell that to the people. I feel like if you do that,
Savage Street is a dope name. Like, I don't know.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
It's a dope name. You can make it work the right way, I believe, from what I've seen so far. And the motherfucking photo shoot thing, how to be crazy.
Yeah, man.
Nigga, we need to be about that photo shoot life.
Definitely.
Especially if you're selling that merch, finding a real way, bro.
Yep.
Because it's all about connecting with your motherfucking people.
Exactly.
And seeing different ways or different levels at monetizing that you're on right now.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah, bro. So with regards to you and this project, like where is it available? Is it available on like online stores, or is it like hard copy, or like a scene? How are you pushing that shit?
It's available on online stores everywhere in DistroKid, YouTube, or Apple Music, Spotify, Deezer, all the normal digital streaming platforms. Yeah. And the videos are on YouTube on my channel. Yeah. It's just
what's the name of the videos?
There's Ngakini, which is from a previous project, but it dropped this year. Yeah. And then from the current projects, there's 2021 Vision, which dropped earlier, and then there's Jabulani, which dropped on the 19th last month, October.
Yeah, who directed Jabulani?
Jabulani was directed by my brother Sunny Boy and Tino. Yeah.
Tino. He's a genius.
Yo, bro, I love his visual work, man. Like, he edited the video as well. Yeah. I love Tino's work, man. I love his visual work.
Are you looking up with the right people, dog?
Yeah, definitely.
I'm excited. Just check it out.
Yeah, exactly, man. It's quite something.
I need to check that shit out, dog. What's the name of shit in it? Jabulani,
it's in the 2021 Vision.
2021 Vision. And what's the name of the project?
The Resets.
Nigga, shit.
Resets out there, man.
I need to check them motherfuckers out, man.
Showcase,
I need to check them visuals out. Don't be saying I'm for the cameo face. I'm saying I'm okay, took out. Let the people know where they can fuck with you in terms of like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, like YouTube. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm out there on the socials, man. Twitter and Instagram, it's at Mac11 Ipantsula. Facebook, my page is just Mac11. That's where I post all my work. So yeah, man, that's where you can get me at Mac11 Ipantsula.
If motherfuckers want to book you,
man, just hit me with an email. It's bookings.mac11@gmail. Yeah.
Reporting live and getting support him, holding it down, city to city.
Shout out,
I'm
bro.
deep in this motherfucker. Shout out to Deeplyrooted. Shout out to your boy Mac11 holding it down. Shout out to Take Long. Shout out to everybody doing amazing things for the culture. We're gonna be back again in December, my nigga. Ngakini. Shit. Maybe this episode might be dropping on that same Friday. We're gonna drop the motherfucking latest for the culture. Holding it down, Ngakini. Shout out to your boy Pete, dog. Shout out to Blackie. Shout out to Loki. Shout out to Charlie Celeste. Shout out to everybody who's dropped some shit, dog. Shout out to me.
Shout out to you, showcase.
Ngakini.
Head up of water, my ducks in a row. Only one life and I'm living it though. Jay's 10, what's happening, bro? Ricardo, stay patient, you know I ain't go. Still independent, finessing it though. Owner and artist, I had to do both. Open the market up, gotta get dope. Producing in product, a boy on the road. I might just pull up.